Hey signers! In the spirit of Valentine's Day, we're teaching you 30 adorable signs to express your love and affection. Get ready to impress your loved ones with some sweet sign language skills. Now, let's learn how to sign Valentine's Day signs. Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day. It's the sign heart with your feeler fingers and day. Valentine's Day. Love. Love. Your arms are crossed around your chest like a big hug. Love. Dating. Dating. You're doing D hands of two people meeting for a date. Dating. Heart. Heart. It's your middle finger touching to your heart. Heart. Kiss. Kiss. And when you do this sign, you should also show a kiss. And you can also receive a kiss or give a kiss. Kiss. Hug. Hug. It's like you're giving somebody a hug. Hug. Chocolate. Chocolate. It's a C hand stirring around on your non-dominant hand. Chocolate. Candy. Candy. You use your index finger and twist it right at your cheek. Candy. Rose. Rose. It's the R-shaped hand with the sign flower. Rose. Card. Card. You're making the shape of the card. Card. Flowers for an arrangement or a bouquet is signed flower and then showing it's sitting in a vase. The sign flower and then the bouquet. Jewelry is signed with a variety of pieces of jewelry. Necklace, earrings, bracelet, all of those varieties. Gift or presents. You have two X hand shapes and they're to their side. And it's like you're gifting somebody the present. Gift or present. Romantic. Romantic. It's I love you hands to each other. Romantic. Affection. Affection. It's like the sign love, but just bounced a few times. Affection. Sweetheart. Sweetheart. It shows that your heart is beating for somebody. Sweetheart. Dinner or dinner. Eating at night or a D right up to your chin. Dinner. Dinner. Dessert. Dessert. It's two D hands on their side. Dessert. Movie. Movie. You have a 5-shaped hand coming from right behind your non-dominant. Think of the film going through the projector. Movie. Night. Night. Think of where the sun is at night. Night. Candle. Candle. Your non-dominant index finger is the candle with your dominant being the flame. Candle. Cherish. Cherish. Your hands are open, pulling down into closed fists on your chin. Cherish. Sweet. Sweet. You have these 4 fingers coming up on your chin and brushing down. Sweet. Flirt. Flirt. Your fingers are making the eyelashes batting as you're flirting. Flirt. Girlfriend. Girlfriend. The sign girl and friend together. Girlfriend. Boyfriend. Boyfriend. It's the sign boy and friend put together. Boyfriend. Husband. Husband. It's the man that you're married to. Husband. Wife. Wife. Because it's the woman that you're married to. Wife. Love, or I love you. But when you shake it back and forth, this is showing love, 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 as in a goodbye, love you all, love. Now, let's put these signs into sentences. We're going to dinner on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, 2 of us go out, dinner. I'm giving my husband chocolates. Chocolate, give, husband. We watched a movie last night. Last night, movie, we watched. He surprised me with a thoughtful gift. Gift, give me, look, surprised, cherish. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. We hope you loved this video. And if you did, hit that like button. While you're at it, tell us in the comments what you love about your loved one. Until next time, keep learning how to sign.